chase your sister. I did not want to be on there just in case.
Well, the ice is already broken and fallen, so it's on the ground.
Yeah. Logically, I understand that.
Well, the snow machine ride you went on with us yesterday was yesterday, and this is today. We wake up to clouds and snow, which means we got to get out here and get things covered up before they get covered up with the snow. At least I pulled the cover straight off, and we can just shake the snow off of it.
And put over the whole thing or just the dog itself? There. Anything else?
Nope. Other than the...
Where is it?
The Polaris is down there.
Where's the... Is this it?
Yep.
Where's the cover for the Polaris? Honey, where's the cover for the Polaris? What are you looking for?
The cover for the Polaris.
I don't even know what it was, so...
Well, as the snow continues to fall, we're trying to get some batteries charged because of the lack of solar. Michelle is inside prepping for her first solo hiking camping trip. She does photography actually, and she's going to go out to a spot that's quite a distance from here to do some photography, camp out, all by her lonesome. And like I said, she's prepping for that right now, getting all of her material together.
Fire starter kit. Fire starter kit. Lighter, cotton balls, lighter goes in the side, Vaseline goes there, and Band-Aid makes a perfect fire starter kit.
And then she'll be heading out tomorrow, and we'll get video of the entire thing. Well, the Gray Jays have come around looking for a handout, and unfortunately I have nothing for them right now. We have had an interesting 48 hours, very strong winds, frigid temperatures, wind chills down to -50, and I'm warming up the battery for the Polaris because we have firewood that we need to go get, because if we don't go get it right now, we will forget that it's there. It'll get snowed on and we will really forget that it's there. But in a moment, while the battery is inside warming up, I'm going to be harvesting ice for water, and this is how we do it. Our roof is a hot roof. Well, you can't see it too well right there, which melts the snow, and then it collects, as you can see here along the eave, as ice. And all I have to do is get up there, break it loose, and it falls, and I harvest the ice all the way down. And we have a wee bit of a problem here. The fascia got pushed out because the water got in behind it. Froze. It's fixable.
Do you want the roof rake? Woo!
And just come right on down.
Just be careful, you got this wire here.
Yeah.
So Takani is on a cable now with the choke collar because he and his sister Lupa decided to chase a dog team the other day. Thankfully Lupa stopped, and thankfully even further the person with the dog team stopped. And when they stopped, Takani stopped chasing them and decided to go in a different direction. Plus I was out there on the river screaming for him to come back. The following day, Takani and Lupa decided, oh look, there are wolves out on the river. Lupa went out, Takani followed, and then Takani kept going while Lupa finally listened to me and came back. Takani didn't. But our neighbor was coming around with the snow machine and he saw the wolves. And when he came around with the snow machine, Takani decided our neighbor was more fun than the wolves. And yeah. So until I can get him a shock collar there's not a whole lot I can do but keep him cabled. Now, if we go out with a snow machine, Takani can come with us.
Sorry, a lot of noise.
Yeah, all that noise you hear is the ice falling. But for the time being, poor puppy has to sit on the cable.
Well, we go from cloudy skies with snow to a morning of clear skies, winds gusting to 25 to 35 miles per hour. According to NOAA, our wind chill this morning is like 50 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit. So you never know how things are going to turn out around the interior of Alaska, weather-wise anyway. So thanks everybody for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video if you would, share it, and most importantly, leave a comment. And we'll catch you next time.